Hi. Oh, hello. What kind of birdie are you? You look like a falcon or something. Hi. Hi. You want a peanut? Here, let's see if it'll take one. I've seen this bird before, guys. Can you identify this bird? It has talons. It looks if you see that, it looks a lot like a little peregrine or a little falcon maybe or something. A little hawk. Wow. Right on my gate. It's even talking. Hi. You want this peanut? Let's see if it'll take it. Ready? Here. Maybe it's too close. Hi. What's this? You come down, get it? Yeah? Hi. You're pretty. Wish my camera was better. And I don't really want to... What is that? Oh, wow. Did you see it? Oh, wow. There he goes. Gorgeous. It's up over there in the tree. You can see right there. Yeah, when I get closer in, it's not that easy to see him, but... Yeah, can you guys identify that? It really looked like a little falcon. When it spread its wings, it's like brown and white. The way that its beak is shaped, though, it's like a hawk or a falcon. Wow. Definitely was not expecting to see this. Sorry, in my back.